This right here is the Phone Rebel case. Phone Rebel right here. It looks really good. And we have the frosting on it. It has a mix of frost and some black. And the cool thing about the Phone Rebel case is that you always get a goodie with it. And that is a really nice high quality, boom, the glass screen protector, which we'll install in just a little bit. Boom, you also get your necessary essential to install the screen protector right here. Here is the phone case and screen protector. So if you look closely, you have cushions on the four corners. And you have really nice strong magnet right there. And this is like the halo lock, so you have an extra little magnet right there. You have the openings for your cables and your speaker. You have the opening for the phone, and you notice that there is a raised edge for the camera and also a raised edge at the four corners, minimalistic, but it protects your phone at the top and bottom. Let's pop in our phone right now. So this phone has always been in a case. We always use a phone case, and these clear ones look great, but sometimes they get yellow. You see right here, this one has a little bit of yellowing. The Phone Rebel should not yellow. We have a screen protector on the old phone, so let's go ahead and take out the screen protector too. So this is the screen protector on the old phone. Take that out, and voila! Now we have a fresh screen on the new phone right here. But let's go ahead and put on the case first. Slide it on right here, pop it on, and pop it on over here. And there's a little bit of friction to hold the phone in place. There we go, and pop it in. Ooh, that's a solid fit. And you see how they have the corners are slightly raised, and it's not raised on the top or on the sides. That way you can easily use the phone and have the scrolling, and it doesn't interfere with your operations of the phone. So I like that a lot. Again, it protects your phone top, and you see it's kind of rubberized too, because the material they use for the bumper is slightly rubberized, as well as back here protecting the lens, so you can protect your phone and not worry about it being damaged. And you have strong MagSafe too. And again, like I said, there is a glass screen protector, so I'll show you how to install the glass screen protector really quick. This is Phone Rebel glass that lasts. Cleaning our display right here. We're gonna use a dust removal sticker right here, peel it out, and this will help you take out any dust that's left on your screen, like so. So our screen is nice, fresh, and clean for the screen protector. Got a little speck of dust right there. Make sure we get all the dust out so we can have a perfect screen protector installation. Once you remove all the dust, you got this. We're gonna remove this, and this is the layer that's gonna go onto the screen. So remove this, and look at that beautiful, clear glass screen protector right there. Nice. And we're just gonna lay it right on top of the phone. Line it up as precise as you can. So once you drop it down, it's on, so be careful. And drop it down right there. And it will start to higher. You see right there, it's kind of working its way through it. And it's moving along really fast. And it's almost done, we're halfway through. And we're almost there. Look at that beautiful screen adhesion. And just like that, boom, we're done. The Phone Rebel case is installed. It looks good, protecting the phone at the front and the back. You have easy access to the side right there, and there we go, the Phone Rebel case. Oh yeah.